Ever felt insecure because of your less than ideal height? Want to radiate more confidence and charm with a taller stature? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, you'll uncover the secrets to quickly and safely increase your height. Let's dive right in by understanding the main factors that determine height. These include genetics, nutrition, exercise, sleep, and other factors such as stress, lifestyle, and medical conditions. Genetics play a significant role in determining your height. Roughly 80% of your height is determined by the genes you inherit from your parents. But don't let this discourage you, as there are other factors within your control that can influence your height. Next up is nutrition. A balanced intake of nutrients, particularly protein, calcium, and vitamin D, is essential for growth. Protein helps in cell growth, calcium strengthens your bones, and vitamin D promotes bone and cell growth and reduces inflammation. Exercise is another crucial factor. Physical activities, particularly those that involve stretching and jumping, can stimulate bone growth and increase muscle mass. So dust off those sneakers and get moving. Sleep is often overlooked, but is just as important. Growth hormones are produced when we sleep, so ensure you're getting 8 to 10 hours of sleep every night. Finally, other factors such as stress, lifestyle, and medical conditions can also influence height. Chronic stress can hamper growth, while certain medical conditions can inhibit the body's ability to grow. A healthy lifestyle can help mitigate these factors. As you can see, many elements contribute to your height. But don't worry, there are strategies you can follow to maximize your potential. Stay tuned for the next segment where we will discuss effective strategies to increase your height. Now that you understand the factors that influence height, let's delve into the strategies that can help you increase it. Firstly, fulfilling your nutritional needs is crucial. A balanced diet rich in protein, calcium, and vitamin D can fuel your growth. Incorporate protein-packed foods like lean meats, eggs, and legumes into your meals. Calcium, found abundantly in dairy products and leafy greens, is essential for bone health. Sunlight and certain fish like salmon are excellent sources of vitamin D, which aids in calcium absorption. Secondly, engage in the right exercises. Stretching exercises and yoga can help improve your posture, giving you an instant height boost. Sports like swimming and basketball, or exercises like skipping, can stimulate bone growth due to their high-impact nature. Hanging from a pull-up bar is another effective exercise, as it can help decompress your spinal discs. Thirdly, ensure you're getting adequate sleep. Aim for 8 to 10 hours of sleep each night. This is when your body produces growth hormones, and your bones and muscles regenerate. Make your bedroom a sanctuary for restful sleep by maintaining a cool temperature, keeping it dark and quiet, and investing in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Lastly, managing stress is key. Chronic stress can interfere with growth hormone production. Incorporate relaxation techniques into your daily routine, such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. It's also important to avoid harmful habits like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, as these can stunt growth and negatively impact overall health. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is key to maximizing your height potential. By implementing these strategies and maintaining consistency, you can lay the foundation for optimal growth. So embrace these habits, stay motivated, and watch yourself grow, not just in height, but in confidence and health as well. Finally, here are some additional tips and a bit of motivation that can help you on your journey to increase your height. Consulting with a doctor or nutritionist can provide you with a personalized program tailored to your individual needs. Remember, it's not a one-size-fits-all game. Your body is unique and deserves an approach designed just for you. It's important to steer clear of dangerous, height-increasing drugs. They may promise quick results, but the potential risks far outweigh the benefits. Your health is the top priority, so don't compromise it for instant gratification. Consistency and motivation are key. Stick to your program, keep your eyes on the prize, and let your determination fuel your progress. It may not be a swift journey, but the results will be worth the wait. Lastly, believe in yourself. You can and you will reach your height potential. Believe in yourself, be consistent, and you will reach your height potential.